So in this video we will discuss about the inflammation response or inflammatory response. So if we talk about inflammatory response, inflammatory response, what is basically mean by inflammatory response? Basic it is a non-specific response. We can say we have also discussed about the specific and non-specific both. So inflammation is an immune response. It is an immune response. So if you talk about what is a condition when inflammatory response occur and inflammation occur. So if you talk about condition, so in this, if there is any type of physical injury, if there is any type of physical injury, so we can say, for example, if we talk about scratch, wound, or we can say prick. So these are the physical injuries, right? So if we get any physical injury, so inflammation will occur, and that will protect us. Inflammation basically protect us. Inflammation occur and it will protect us. So when entry of pathogen will occur, that can be by the nasal cavity or by the reproductive tract as well. By nasal cavity and also a reproductive tract. And now we are having cells called the mast cells. What are basically these? These are the immune cells. Basically these are the immune cells. These are the type of WBC. Mast cells are type of WBC. They basically release histamine. And prostaglandin. They release histamine and prostaglandin. What are these? Basically these both will work in vasodilation. Work in vasodilation, in which the blood vessels will get wider, more wider. That we get blood vessels will get wider in the vasodilation. So if we talk about, we are having two types of inflammation in this. Number one is acute and number two is chronic. If we talk about acute, basically acute is a short period inflammation. It is a short period inflammation. It is having severe symptoms. We can say severe symptoms like we are having pain, swelling, and there's like severe symptoms. If we talk about chronic is a long period inflammation. It is having less symptoms, which means not that much severe symptoms, because it is for the long period, but it's very harmful. It can also cause death, So that was about the inflammatory response.